Legends of Learning presents the Percent City game. This is a math game that makes learning about solving problems with proportion, including percent, fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Percent City is an action-adventure game in which you'll have fun with percentages. You will have to repair your broken car with the help of city robots. In the Great Math Arena, you'll race a light cycle, fight robot gunners, piece together equations, and ultimately, with everything you've learned about percentages, you'll save the city from a hacker attack. You will fight a robot virus and its horde of evil robots. We wish you good luck having fun with Percent City. Use the mouse to click on different numbers to correctly complete the math questions on percentages. Collect the right number in the correct order to complete the percentage equations and complete mini games to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
I estimate the amount